Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This is all about digital painting tutorials, and today I'm going to paint this landscape in Photoshop using Wacom Pen Tablet. And here it is how. Here in my Photoshop I'm already having the color palette with the color codes. You can just copy them and use it for your reference. Now in a new layer, make a rectangle selection like this, fill it up with a solid color using color fill bucket tool. And use control and hold control and click on that layer particular thumbnail to get the layer selection active. And in the same layer I'm going to paint with different colors from the color palette here, the second color, using the soft brush, using the brush tool. Just make few strokes like this. Also, you can choose the intermediate color by using the eyedropper tool and selecting that particular area and painting with it using brush tool. You can adjust the size of the brush as per your requirement. I'm pretty much happy with what I'm having right now on the screen. Now using the next color, that is the darker color black, make a random shape in a new layer and fill it up with the color fill bucket tool, or you can use the brush tool too. It's up to you. Now change the brush from the brush panel. Here, use this one, and I'm using the Adobe Photoshop version CC 2020 so that this is available over here. I hope you are also having the same brush. and just make a good pressure on the tablet and just paint accordingly. Here, as you can see, this is giving a nice jitter effect. Once you are happy, you can just continue with the next thing, that is making a lamppost here. I'm using the hard round brush and just making the stand for it. Make a horizontal line. And the two lamps. Either you can make a single one, and when after completing this subject we will particularly duplicate this area. I'm doing this in a next new layer so that our rest of the things are not hampered with it. Use the soft round brush with a lighter color and make a light beneath the shade so that it should be like coming out from that area. You can just hold all the layers and just make them a group, merge them by right clicking and select merge layers and hit Ctrl J to duplicate it in a new layer. Go to edit, transform and flip horizontally to place it over another place. And we are done with this. Just select both the layers, again merge layer, and this time just duplicate it and place at a far point. Delete the outer areas and we are done. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if yes, make sure you hit the subscribe button.